Here's how to get started with Soothe. Let's use it to tame the resonances on this track. Start with the factory default and turn up the depth control until Soothe is clearly removing too much. Then back off the depth setting until you hear the character coming back. Adjust the detail control to suit the input material. Less detail to treat frequency buildups, and more detail to target more specific resonances. Engage the delta function to only hear the changes Soothe is making to your signal. Use the nodes on the frequency graph to focus the processing. Boost a frequency area until you hear the resonances you want to remove. Turn off delta monitoring and find an optimal depth value. Use bypass to evaluate the results of the processing. To learn more about Soothe, check out our overview video on YouTube or head over to oeksound.com to try Soothe for free for 20 days.